TikTok is a breath of fresh air, a new, young voice among aging platforms like Facebook and Instagram. It's a social media platform that's full of energy, creativity, and authenticity. It's a place where brands can let loose and push boundaries they wouldn't touch in traditional media. It is an exciting place for marketers to be. Many brands have shared entertaining and yet low-cost ads that stay true to their core personalities. So whether it's working with influencers or with your team, you can create content that draws both attention and conversions. As the app market continues to expand, marketers are looking for new, creative ways to give themselves an edge in this increasingly competitive landscape. You are probably asked questions like, how do I acquire the right users that will add value to my business? How do I increase engagement in a world of ever-decreasing attention spans? How do I increase my user base while still controlling costs? Yet you are not alone in asking these questions. In fact, every business owner or marketer should be thinking about them. That's why I want you to introduce you to TikTok platform and TikTok marketing, because they are a relatively new company and they have continuously developing new tools that help people solve important business problems. So please check the description for the course content, because it will be updated continuously as the platform is changing every day. So let's get into it.